Hello. We today we're going down to the pool. And then Mummy and Daddy's gonna chill.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be swimming. And then we're gonna go to Universal and meet my friend MJ. And she's a dancer at Universal. Yeah, it's cool. It's gonna be cool. Bye.
Which ones you choosing today?
I wear these last yesterday, and then I wear those the day after that, and today I'm wearing these.
Oh, let's have a look.
Kitties. This one broke, but my mum fixed it.
Wow. See you at the pool.
The water broke my face. Come underwater with me.
Hello.
Page 1. Hello, all my thinkers out there in Seuss Landing. Welcome. Well, first off, my thinkers, I want you to know I've invited some friends, and they're in the world. Thing 1 and thing 2. The mischievous cat in his hat. Sam I am with those delicious green eggs and ham, and the meanest, the greenest, the stinkiest, the Grinch. Lorax has jumped off the page! Thea, it's so nice to meet you! This is thing 2. Come over and meet my birthday 1. You're so lucky!
Oh, legends. Thank you so much, guys. Memories. Amazing. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. Hi. Yeah. Woo! Become our new favourites. Oh, yeah. Amazing.
Hello, everybody. I met MJ, and then I met thing 2 and thing 1. The drink, the Grinch, and the yellow guy. And then who else? The orange one. And then I got some rainbow popcorn. Let's try it. That is yummy. I'm trying a bit.
How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy? I'm going to try some. Oh, wow. That's lovely.
Thank you so much.